Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox the Honor 9A which has been recently launched in India. So let's start. This is a budget mobile, and if you see the packaging, it's already mentioned here as made in China. And if you see the price wise, it's mentioned here 11,999, but you can get it at a lower deal at rupees 9,999, which is available at Amazon. So this phone comes with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, and if you see, I have the phantom blue color variant with me today. If you see the front facing of the box, it's mentioned here as the Huawei app gallery. It doesn't have the Android Play Store in this mobile. So let's unbox and see what's there inside the box and what are the contents available inside the box. So as soon as we open the box, we will find the phone itself, and as I've told you, we have purchased the phantom blue color, and as we go in, we'll see the charger, cable and the wall brick charger itself, which is a normal charger. It doesn't have a fast charging capability in it. Also, to brief you, it has a 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Along with it, there is also two SIM slots which can be used simultaneously along with the micro SD card. Also in the box, you get the silicone back cover for the mobile along with the SIM ejector tool and few of the other documentation which you can see here. So guys, here is the Honor 9A phone, and this is a 6.3-inch HD resolution screen. On the side you can see the volume rockers along with the power on and off button. On the back you can see the triple camera setup and the fingerprints, and the glass-like finish, and the frame is made out of plastic. And in the rear you will see the speaker grills along with the 3.5mm port and the USB charging port. Left hand side you can see the SIM tray wherein you can insert two SIMs and one micro SD card. Overall, the phone is built well and is very comfortable to hold. Also, the phone is 9.04mm thin, and also it has got an HD plus resolution with 16.7 million colors in it. Now coming to the processor, it is a MediaTek MT676X2R octa-core processor. Now MediaTek Helio P22 chipset is available in this phone, which can be used for mild gaming usage and for mid gaming performance, but it is more than sufficient for a normal day-to-day usage. Now in the daylight, the phantom blue color really looks good, and let's see how it looks when we power it on. You can see the Honor badging in the front as soon as you switch on the phone. So as the phone is booting up, let's talk about the camera. So as I've told you, it has got triple camera setup. The primary camera is of 13 megapixel, and there is also a 5 megapixel super wide angle camera, and there is a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, and the front camera is of 8 megapixel. The user interface in this phone is the Honor Magic user interface, which is powered by Android 10. And friends, the battery comes along with 5000 mAh power in it with a reverse charging capability in it. It can last up to 2 days and 35 hours of video playback with full charge. As you can see, the screen quality looks good, and in the bright daylight it is really visible. Now as you see here, the interface is Honor Magic interface, and let's go to the setting and find out about the phone. So as you can see, the Magic UI which is mentioned here, and as you scroll down we will find the Android version which is mentioned here as Android 10. Also you can see here there are two IMEI number because there are two SIM slots, and you get also the information for the RAM which is mentioned here as 3 GB. Phone comes with 64 GB of internal storage. And talking about the unlocking features, you can unlock it through the facial recognition as well as the fingerprint sensor which is there in the back of the phone. Now if you are setting up your phone and you want to migrate your data from your old phone to new phone, so there is a phone clone app, and it is a very simple software through which you can transfer all your old data to this new phone. Also guys, the phone is not powered by Android Play Store. It has a Huawei app gallery through which you can install apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and even you can watch videos on YouTube. So guys, when I talk about the app gallery, it is powered by Huawei's and Honor's app distribution platform. You can find here all the top applications which are available for Indian market. Also, if you see the data, there are more than 10 million users using the app gallery, and in the past couple of months the active users for the app gallery has been increased dramatically. It also has a Petal search engine, which is basically a search engine for Huawei's and Honor, and it is comparable to Google search. The Petal search gives recommendation for weather, videos, news, etc. So in this app gallery, you can majorly find all the apps. For example, I tried here typing in ICICI Bank and I got the result here, and through which I can install the ICICI Bank app. In the quick toggle tray, you can see there is a dark mode which is also available in this phone. And not to forget, it also has an NFC feature for quick connect and data transfer. You can also increase and decrease the brightness of the phone, and to mention that during daylight and under the sun, you will not find any issues looking at the screen. Okay, and now with the gaming. With regards to gaming performance, it worked pretty well, and when I tried playing Asphalt 9, I did not find any kind of lag or buffer. You can see the gameplay here, and it played out really smooth. Also guys, I thought of posting some photos and videos which I took through the phone's primary camera lens as well as through the wide angle lens. You can see few samples here. And this is the full HD video sample which I have recorded through its primary shooter camera. So my friends, to summarize this entire first impression and unboxing, I would say that the phone comes with great screen quality, it is an affordable smartphone, it supports reversible charging, and also it comes with 5000 mAh battery which provides a good battery performance. It also comes with a face unlock feature and a fingerprint sensor. Overall, it's a great smartphone to consider with a price range of 9,999. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.